In this video, we are going to take a look at the states in the United States of America that have similar or the same building codes. This would be the minimum clear, unobstructed space you must have to walk up and down the stairs, and the minimum depth of a stair step. And the reason why I'm making the video is to inform you about the building codes, but more than that, I want to point out the fact, and I've stated this before in my videos, that you need to check with your local building and safety department or the people who enforce your building codes in your particular area, your jurisdiction, to verify whether or not the information you're watching or gathering on the internet is applicable to your particular project. So let's go ahead and get started with category 1, which would be a 10-inch minimum tread depth and a 36-inch width. And these states follow the standard or a base version of the International Residential Code Book. And I'm not going to read off the states, but here's a list of them. Next up, let's go to category 2. This would be a 9-inch minimum tread depth along with a 36-inch clear width. And these states have a significant state-specific amendment that modifies the IRC, or International Residential Code Book, reducing the minimum tread depth to 9 inches while keeping the 36-inch minimum clear width. And this is actually what the building code was in the state of California when I started in 1978, so it has been modified. And last on our list, category 3 varies by jurisdiction or mixed codes or unclear codes. And these states do not have a single uniform statewide code for all residential construction. They are either home rule states where codes are set locally by cities, counties, or municipalities, or the state code has different rules for different areas. And here is a list of those states. And there you have it, even though I do not know why we can't have the same building codes for stairway construction, residential or commercial, public use in the United States of America. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.